So I was just going to share, a couple of highlights of like some organizations and places that you can get involved with, whether you are in human nutrition or dietetics. Just in general, gaining that experience is going to be really critical and really help you grow a lot more and gain those interpersonal skills, leadership skills, all of those that are going to be really, that will set you apart as a candidate when you apply for internships or when you apply for your professional schools, any of that. So the first thing that you see is SDNA, we call it Student Dietetic and Nutrition Association. So just now when Professor Jackson was there, she was talking about like she's an advisor for that. And so as she has mentioned, it is an organization for students focused on those nutrition related services. So both dietetics and human nutrition students, definitely we recommend being involved with that because that's where they will normally meet once in a month and hearing from experts in these food and nutrition and health professions that are working in the field and hearing about their experiences and what their career paths are, things along those lines. And they also have leadership opportunities with that. And so definitely if you are, coming here, I definitely recommend being involved with that. They do volunteering opportunities and a couple of other things as well. Then the second thing is Campus Kitchen at UK. So I go a long way back with Campus Kitchen as a student and a master's student, and then now here working in the department. So I was a student founder of Campus Kitchen when I was in undergrad and in 2014. And so this Campus Kitchen, it's pretty much an on-campus nonprofit, mini nonprofit student service organization that recover food that is going to be wasted and then trying to turn those into healthy meals and then serve it to the community that needs it. So that's a nutshell of what Campus Kitchen does. So regardless of whether, food insecurity or hunger is your focus area or not, I think just in general, when you start coming into the department, you just get to start learning about your, I guess, like what you're going to be working with, like cooking in the kitchen, like food safety, sanitation, hygiene, all of those things are something that you are exposed to as you are being involved with Campus Kitchen, seeing and volunteering and gaining some hours to do so. And after that, they also do a lot of cooking classes and educational opportunities to get involved with as well. And so that's just one really neat opportunity that we have in the department that you can definitely fully take advantage of, from volunteering to leadership opportunities and all the way through even research opportunities within the Campus Kitchen operation that we do. And then just to kind of talk about, I guess, like a little bit more on the sports side of thing is Girls on the Run. And then the third one that you see is it's called Charge. Both of them really are inspiring girls or college age girls to really enjoy this fun physical activity, especially running, and really trying to involve like curriculum-based activities and empowering them to pursue their dreams and really kind of seeing their potential to be participating in physical activities and things like that. And so right now, obviously with COVID, Girls on the Run is on more on a virtual setting, but this is typically not for spring, so for fall. So if you are going to be coming in the fall semester, this will be one of those things that you can definitely start getting involved early September and kind of getting to know more third and eighth graders. Charge is, like I said, is another one, but it's more specific for college age girls to learn about health and fitness and emphasizing that it could be fun. So another thing I just wanted to mention is kind of shadowing activities. One of them is Salvation Army, and another one, sorry that I'm scrolling it down, but another one is St. Joseph Health. There's also Good Samaritan Hospital. So there are a lot of hospitals with shadowing activities that you can go and shadow dietitians or clinical or non-clinical staff, really trying to gain an experience in working in the clinical setting, just kind of getting that exposure in educational and any sort of like activities that they will be doing during that time. And so that is another way that we connect with students. So this Salvation Army, obviously right now with their high risk population, with some of these folks that don't have medical insurance and things like that, and underserved population and homeless population, they are not opening it up to outside folks, but hopefully by next fall semester, you will be able to then shadow dietitian or physician who is then doing nutrition counseling or any of those with the patients over there. Another one that you can get involved if anybody is interested in food blogging or any of that, Spoon U is definitely an area that you can definitely explore in getting involved with to learn more about food blogging and publications. Samaritan's Touch, I don't know if there's any future PT, aspiring PT or not, but this is a student-run PT clinic, and that serves underserved population as well, similar to Salvation Army. And you can then go and really get some shadowing hours and observing them, performing those physical therapy over there. And so that's another really neat opportunity. And just to kind of catch it all, there's the Refugee Clinic that provides a lot of comprehensive medical care, like oral surgery, physical therapy, diabetes nutrition, a lot of gynecology care and everything. And they serve an uninsured and underinsured like refugee population specifically. And there are a lot of volunteering opportunities with them in medical, dental, patient advocate positions that they have open. And so we have that opportunity and we try to connect you with those as well and help you in the process. And the last couple of things I just want to mention is being a part of professional academies of nutrition and dietetics. Obviously, you know, for those who might be interested in more professional routes in human nutrition, maybe this is not necessarily like where you want your career to be, but certainly something that you can learn a lot of different topics that they cover as part of their monthly seminar. So for example, Bluegrass Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics, and Dr. Combs can definitely talk a lot more about it since she is the chair of that academy. But this local affiliate really promotes optimal health and nutrition for a lot of people and provide continuing education for dietitians, a lot of the dietitians in the region. So what it does is then if you were to be coming to as a, you know, pre-dietetics or pre-human nutrition students, then you can then go to these meetings, really try to network with dietitians who are over there and learn about different topics and see if there's any area of interest that you're interested in there, and even shadow and really grow from that. And so Bluegrass Academy of Nutrition Dietetics, that's something that we also try to connect with students. And obviously there's Kentucky Academy of Nutrition Dietetics, that's more of a bigger, broad Kentucky, I guess statewide. So I just wanted to show it right here. Here's my contact information. You can share your name, major, your future plans, and you know what you are wanting to do, and we can definitely meet individually even before you even come to the DHN in general. Like if you're around Lexington, I'm happy to provide some opportunities or connect you with some things that you can start getting involved with, even as high school students, because we have had some high school students come and volunteer and do a couple of other engagement opportunities. So I'm happy to talk to you all, and more just in general, you can go to our website and it has a lot of great information right there. So thank you for letting me share.
Fast and furious, Kendra. That's what it is. But but what she just mentioned there about reaching out, sharing your professional goals with her and letting her kind of help you is such a rare thing, I think. And if you ever meet with Kendra, you will know what an amazing mentor she really is. So she invests in our students as much as they're going to reach out to her. She's going to reach out to them. And it really is a great asset within our department to have a community outreach director to help bridge you with your interests. And all the ones that she just mentioned are for both dietetics and human nutrition majors. I'm going to put you on the spot really quick, Kendra, because one of the prospective students mentioned how interesting this was and how inspiring it was. Do you have any stats on Campus Kitchen, on like how many meals have been? So could you just really quickly, because it's crazy, isn't it?
Yeah, so since we've been founded for about 6 years at this point, we've served over 23,000 meals, and we've engaged over 6,900 students across the whole entire university's campus. So we have students from not only dietetics and human nutrition students, but they really get to work with other students from other majors and really try to share that experience together, and actually kind of like having that a sense of belonging and a place for you to grow together and learn together. So that's a little bit about that. I can't really remember the number of pounds that we have recovered, but probably in like 10, I think we recover over 30,000 pounds of food, and a third of them are all fresh produce, which you would think that it is insane because obviously we're here in nutrition and dietetics and talking about eating fresh fruits and vegetables, and a lot of these are going to waste. So we try to turn those and then serve it to the community that needs it. So why not? So thank
I
you
think
for
you're exactly right. I mean, first of all, applauding you and your team. A lot of it has been under your direction, and we're really grateful for that.